Hello everyone, and welcome back to and today we're going to get into the Halloween spirit with a fun and spooky drawing tutorial. I'll show you how to draw some fantastic Halloween themed art. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced artist, you'll be able to follow along and create some creepy cool drawings for the season. Let's start with a classic Halloween symbol, the pumpkin. Grab your sketchbook, pencils, and let's dive in. We'll begin with the basic shape of the pumpkin and then add those iconic eyes, nose, and wicked grin. Next, we'll draw a spooky ghost that's sure to send shivers down your spine. I'll guide you through sketching the ghostly figure and then adding details like the eyes and a haunting expression. Now it's time to draw a haunted house with all the eerie details. We'll create the spooky atmosphere that'll make your Halloween drawing come to life. Let's add a witch's hat to our collection of Halloween drawings. Witches are a staple of the season, so we'll create a mystical hat with a twist. There you have it, folks. We've drawn a pumpkin, a ghost, a haunted house, and a witch's hat. All perfect for Halloween. Don't forget to add your own creative touches, colors, and personal style to make these drawings uniquely yours. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting art tutorials. Have a spooktacular Halloween, and as always, keep on creating.